getting break from your side. You can enter what you want in the chat window.
Okay, no. Now you can hear, right? No, from my side, everything is.
Yes. And now I can hear. Oh, I don't know what
Now I can hear. Maybe some. So.
Okay, so I saw that I entered the query mode and I come across my user ID, and these all are the responsibilities having access to me.
Okay.
Okay. And based on this only, I can do different works or whatever is required.
Okay.
Okay. So this is how this user and user access is given to. User access by creating username and password, then access to the different functions by providing the responsibilities. Now, what is responsibility? Responsibility is consist of the functions, menus, submenus, so which will allow you to perform some activities around a specific module. Okay, for accounts payable, there is lot of activities are there. In that activity, what access is given to you based on your finance organization. Suppose in account you have been given the accounts payable responsibility, but in accounts payable you have been just asked to book the invoices for the supplier and providing of some different some reports in from the accounts payable module. This is the work you have been given. Likewise, somebody else will be given payment responsibility, who will do the payments to the supplier invoices. Likewise, if you define the responsibility and give access to that responsibility to user, then only they will be able to perform the task. Suppose it is a super user or manager kind of, they can be having the super user access. So if you go responsibility, let's say I'm searching, okay. If I press F4, it is mandatory field, means I have to create my responsibility here. If I press F11, it is query mode. I have to enter. I don't know the exact name of the responsibility, so I am searching like this. Okay. So here you see it is the general ledger with different responsibilities are there. Okay, there are many people practicing on this server, so they have created their own user IDs and they have own their responsibilities. So here you are providing the responsibility name, which application they are going to access, from which date they are going to access. It is available from where, it is Oracle application or self-service web or mobile application like this. Then you have the data group, under which module it is, general ledger. What is the menu? This menu will consist of submenus and functions. So here you will have all the details. Then request group. This request group is to give you access to the reports, various reports you can run. So likewise, you can create your own responsibilities for what we say, for your own company. But as you are into end user, you will not be able to do this activity. This activity lies with the system administrator. Okay.
Okay.
System administrator will create the responsibility. System administrator will create only your user ID and access. System administrator only will assign you the responsibility based on the request from manager. All these activities come over here. So responsibility you can create and then proceed further. So we keep it today here only. And
Okay.
we'll start with responsible means tomorrow again we start with the profile option and this responsibilities again and complete the setting of organization structure and
Okay.
we pass a test journal into it.
Okay.
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 Yes. So if you have any doubt, you can just drop me on WhatsApp. And also, it is better to get the access to this test server, which I showed you just.
Yeah. Actually, I asked. They told ki they have already rented that ERP, sorry, Oracle app. So they'll give me that so that I can download from my system and I can, for practice purpose.
Rented.
I don't know. I told where I get that Oracle, for practice. They told, is there any, software you people are going to give to, students or something? So
Okay.
they told, yeah, we are having some rented, like rent type of Oracle. I don't know whether it is true or not, but they told me, okay, they'll
Okay.
give me the access so that I can, from my side, I can practice, yeah, Oracle things.
Mm-hmm.
Then who will give? Suresh or
So
you or
Suresh only will be.
he will give? Okay.
So just ask him to get you the access for the server, and then you can start doing the practice.
Okay.
And just at least
Okay.
try to navigate, and you will have if he is giving you access, you will come with some predefined responsibility list. You just go to the navigator and just access any responsibility you like, and just
At least GL, general and GL means what? General
journal
ledger,
ledger.
ledger under that general entry. That if
You can just access that forms, okay, but until you come to know that how we can enter there any journal, it is like there is a risk, the risk of corrupting the system.
oh,
Uh, because if
okay.
something we have done and that is not allowing us to work further and process something else, then it is a risk there that system is getting corrupted. So
Okay.
access the forms, not an issue. You can go anywhere, just like see, I am over here. Okay, I
Mhm.
explained you how to query F11, control F11. You can come on the
Yeah.
system administrator, go to the user, go to the responsibilities, and like accounts payable is there. You just responsibilities, under responsibility define. This page will open. Press F11 and search for accounts payable like this, and press Control F11. You will get accounts payable responsibilities. Likewise, you can just navigate and query and get it. And on this file is there, edit is there, view is there. You can just navigate on these screens. But I prefer you should not do any entry or something till tomorrow, because from tomorrow.
Yeah. Then better I'll ask tomorrow or tomorrow or else Monday I'll ask for.
Okay,
It will
but
be
you get the system access by tomorrow,
by
because
tomorrow. Okay.
if you not do the practice, it will be.
Yeah. 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 I understand. If I'll not do, then it will, I'll not theoretical and practical
Yes,
definitely
yes,
it's needed.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
And every
Okay.
session will be recording will be shared, so
Yeah.
don't worry. You can read.
Can you please share me that Excel sheet as well? So it will be good for me to
Okay,
understand.
okay. I will share that Excel as well.
Thank you so much, Gopal.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. Bye bye. Thank you.